Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a really quick video today. It's going to be an unboxing video because I just got my order from Ulta that I placed on Saturday. So let me open this up and we'll get started. First, let's see what they gave me in the sample. Open it. Alright. First is the It Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So, that'll be fun to try. And then I also got Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm also really excited to try that. I just love trying primers. Alright. First, open it up. First, I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Porcelain. I just needed a lighter foundation shade for these months coming up. And I also bought the NYX Foil Play in the shade Pop Quiz. I wanted a pigment to play with, so. Alright. I also have the Born to Glow liquid highlighter in, this is Sunbeam? Yeah. Alright. I just got a BB cream because I ran out. So that's nothing new. But got it. I really just wanted a new brow pencil. So I got the NYX Precision brow pencil in the shade Soft Brown. Pretty excited for it. I also got the NYX Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer because, like I said, I like new primers. Alright. I really wanted to do a drugstore makeup look, but whenever I was going through my stuff, I was missing a drugstore concealer. So I have the HD Studio Photogenic concealer from NYX that I'm going to try. A lot of NYX products. Alright. And then I needed lashes because I ran out. So I got the Kiss Ever Easy Lashes number 11. And I got the multi-pack because, yeah, why not get the multi-pack? And then I got the Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner from Maybelline in the shade Black because I needed a new liquid liner that was also drugstore. So there's that. And then, since I ordered the Maybelline products, get this real cool Nikki Tutorials bag to put it in. So let me go ahead and open this up so I can see how much room's in it. Pretty decent amount. I can fit everything I just got in there. So, but yeah, like I said, quick video today. Just wanted to go through and show you the stuff that I got from Ulta. And I will be making another video next week. Hopefully I will get to play with some of this And next week I will do a drugstore tutorial for you guys. But I know I got a lot of NYX products today, and yeah, it's all very affordable stuff. Everything in this that I unboxed today cost me $45, I believe. So, reasonable. Alright, well, until next time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.